Ever looked up at the night sky and felt a sense of wonder? The stars, the planets, the vast emptiness. But what if something was lurking in that darkness, an uninvited guest hurtling towards us? Today, we're diving into a chilling but fascinating hypothetical. What if a rogue planet collided with Earth? First, what even is a rogue planet? Simply put, it's a planet that doesn't orbit a star. It's been ejected from its original solar system and now roams the galaxy alone. There are billions, maybe even trillions of them out there. So, the chances of one finding us aren't zero, though they are incredibly small. Let's imagine our telescopes pick one up. A planet, maybe the size of Mars or even larger, on a direct collision course. Panic would be an understatement. Global efforts would scramble to find a solution, but deflecting a planet-sized object with our current technology is, frankly, science fiction. As it gets closer, its gravitational influence would wreak havoc. We'd see unprecedented earthquakes, volcanic eruptions on a global scale, and tsunamis that would dwarf anything in recorded history. The moon might be pulled from its orbit, either sent careening into space or crashing down onto us. The initial approach would be a catastrophe in itself, long before any impact. Then, the collision, the energy released would be unimaginable, billions of times more powerful than all nuclear weapons on Earth combined. The impact site would vaporize instantly, creating a crater hundreds of kilometers wide. A shockwave of superheated rock and air would expand across the globe, incinerating everything in its path. The Earth's crust would shatter, oceans would boil away, the atmosphere would be filled with so much dust and debris that sunlight would be blocked out for years, maybe even centuries, plunging the planet into a deep, dark winter. Life as we know it would cease to exist in an instant. But what about the aftermath? If Earth wasn't completely shattered, it would be a molten ball of rock. Over millions of years, it might cool down and reform. Debris from the collision could even coalesce to form a new moon, or perhaps a ring system like Saturn's. The solar system itself would be reshaped. The orbits of other planets, like Mars and Venus, could be destabilized by the gravitational shift. It's a terrifying thought, but it highlights just how precious and fragile our place in the universe is. These cosmic events have shaped our solar system for billions of years, and while a rogue planet collision is extremely unlikely in our lifetime, it's a powerful reminder of the dynamic and sometimes violent nature of the cosmos. Exploring these what-if scenarios isn't about fear, but about appreciating the delicate balance that allows life to thrive on our beautiful blue marble. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more mind-bending concepts, be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Until next time, keep looking up.